Hi Chad, welcome to another stream. How y'all doing today? Let's see, it is Saturday, September 2nd of 2023, and we are back for yet another stream. I am sick, so if you hear me sniffling or I sound different or or I cough at some point, yeah, you'll know what's up. But that's why we didn't stream last weekend or on Monday. I've been basically in bed playing video games all week because I can't really do anything else. Exonity! Wait, you don't have your other sub. Where's the whiskey emote? Thank you for the resub at 32 months at tier 3. Appreciate your continued support. It's good to see you again, and I hope you're doing well. We also have Drunk Time Lord, who has resubbed at 30 months. Thank you for your continued support as well. Also good to see you. You were first today. Or sneaky cheaty first. I think you were here before the stream actually started. Although, no, that was running, so it counts. M. Bradley, thank you for the sub with Prime. Welcome to Subdom. Welcome to the street. I hope you're doing well. JJMC is also here. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Woosa, welcome back. How's it going? Roll Adrian's good to see you again. A real Time Lord, indeed, indeed. Nikita, good to see you again. Hello, hello. Iron Chat General is also here. Bugle Cook. This is Anthony, you're back. Well, sort of. I'm here-ish. Yeah. How you doing? Good to see you again. Kenny Jones says, may I know if you're sick from is it normal COVID or COVID? I know it's not COVID because we took tests and they all came back negative. And the symptoms are not quite the same as COVID. They're similar, but not quite. Yeah, similar, but not the same. But yeah, where's your whiskey emote, Exonity? What happened? MRX Dev says, hello guys, is there any way I can control a video stream, for example, forward 5 seconds? I don't know what you're referring to, but almost certainly the answer is yes, some way or another. Yeah. Oh, pay no attention to this. That's yeah. No, go away. No, worse. I was writing Rust. I'm trying to build a Discord bot that lets you stream YouTube videos. Everything works fine, but I can't control the stream. I'm pretty sure won't the stream be client side? Unless you're having it join as a video and then, yeah, I don't know. Seems too specific. Yeah, M. Bradley says the stream is client side. Yeah, unless you're like reserving the video through a video client, I don't think you're gonna be able to control that. Baldathis, thank you for the resub at 33 months. It's good to see you again with bunnies. Bunnies. What bunnies? Oh, yeah, I've seen those bunnies. But you meant real bunnies. No. But yeah, the first order of stuff for today. Oh, I guess I should I guess I should recap since I did do some stuff offline. And a cool new thing has happened. Ta-da! Oh, I have a shiny downstairs. I can hear it beeping. Damn. I'm gonna be right back. Hayden, hello. Good to see you again. Beep. Pre-commit.ci Lite is now approved on Marketplace. I put in this in May, and GitHub finally got back to it. Which is ridiculous. What's pre-commit.ci Lite? It's basically pre-commit.ci but through GitHub Actions. So you can write a GitHub action and then called pre-commit.ci light and it will apply changes. But I'm gonna be right back. My other project is chirping at me, so I will see you in a sec. Sorry to be like, hi stream, bye stream. No, don't jinx it like that. Alright, it should be real quick. I'll see you in a sec. Okay, I'm back. Hello. Sorry about that. Who are you gonna raid? Oh my goodness. Hayden, thank you for the resub at 33 months. It's good to see you again. I already said hi to you. Assuming the drawback to that is loss of speed. Yeah, loss of speed. There's a little chart somewhere. Well, the difference is. They both have autofix and PRs. The full version has auto update, but light does not. The full version is faster. Light, you can do whatever the fuck you want though. And you can use it without pre-commit, in theory. I don't know why you would, but you can, in theory, do that. But yeah, so the first, well, oh right, we're we're going over the things I did since last time. Oh, thank you for the hype train chat, appreciate that. This has still not been merged. I don't know if anyone deals with freeze gun at all, but I have a patch to make their type stubs actually work correctly, because right now they do not. Did I add a time.sleep to make it slower? No, I tried to make it as fast as possible. That would be pretty funny though. But yeah, it is some quick little overloads here. Fix that. But let's see. Yeah, okay. I guess to start is this is so stupid. Okay, this is the first thing. This is another one. People kept fucking opening pull requests that they didn't check all the boxes for this checklist. I don't know why you would open a pull request if you couldn't check all the boxes for a checklist, but I added a comment to make it very clear. If you cannot satisfy these requirements, do not open a PR. Yeah, hopefully this will work. I don't know. Yeah, make that a checkbox. But anyway, sad that I have to add this, but you know, such is life. The other thing that happened is AutoPip8 made a release, but they botched the release where they were missing a dependency on packaging, which breaks things. And but they fixed it. So they did not fix it by adding the dependency. They fixed it by changing how the version parsing worked. But they kind of did it in a not ideal way. They did it in not an ideal way, because this is gonna there's two things about this that are not good. The first is the common path is the slow path down here, whereas the common path should be the fast path. The other is they're taking this try except on every single call, and I mean, admittedly, fix E225 probably shouldn't get called all that often, but if it is called, then it's taking the slow path over and over and over. But anyway, that got fixed. And then I'm gonna be making a video about some Docker build stuff soon. I learned a bunch of cool, neat stuff, including a way to make Docker build where it takes less than 4 seconds to do a full build and doesn't actually download anything, which is really cool. Yeah. So this built like 3 multi-gigabyte images in 4 seconds, which is fucking nuts. But I'll be making a video on that soon. There's been a bunch of really cool stuff that's happened with BuildKit and the way their cache works, and I guess technically download the manifest. There's like a few kilobytes, but it's not megabytes or gigabytes of download to make this happen, which is also pretty cool. But yeah, these PRs are me mucking around with BuildX stuff, and trying out the various approaches. This one I made while reviewing a PR from Keller Marcoux. I had forgotten that I had done this pattern in another place, and it's much simpler than writing out these big long function definitions. I would love to be able to stack these decorators, however, they don't have perfect forwarding of the original function. So it, like, the decorator needs to check that this satisfies a particular type for this input type here, but it doesn't know that the underlying function is actually a union. So if I stack these decorators, it would lose that. But this works. It is slightly cleaner. So yep. Oh, the other cool thing is I put the AutoPip8 metadata into the actual AutoPip8 repo, and so Monday's auto update should migrate back over to this repo. That'll be cool. I also double checked that it worked, so this should be pretty nice and easy. Also, Puppet broke. Factor 423 has a bug in it, where it pulls in FFI and then breaks the world, and they haven't fixed it yet. So at some point they'll fix it, and then I will unpin this. But this is preventing Puppet from installing. I forcibly pinned a particular version. Sudo says, Anthony, do you go to any tech/dev conferences? If so, which ones? I usually go to PyCon. I've been to GitHub Universe a few times. I was invited this year, but I didn't go. But yeah, I don't know. I feel like I don't really get too much out of conferences anymore, other than meeting people. I mean, which is nice, I guess. Like, don't get me wrong there. But if I wanted to watch the content, I would just watch it online, and I never watch content online, so I'm not gonna watch the content anyway. It's kind of a roundabout way of saying that. But I don't know. I got a pie gun almost every year. Yeah, anyway. Force factor to a particular version so that it's not broken. Marked pre-commit.ci light as available and deleted the little warning at the top. Solar Particle, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh, the whole reason I started looking into build kit at all was because the runner image was broken. So I changed how the build works. It's now a multi-stage build. Previously what was happening is you could build a Docker image and then all the layers would have an image ID, but build kit basically runs in a separate, well, you can think of it as running in a separate daemon and then exporting and importing the image. And so all of the intermediate image IDs are just gone. They don't stick around at all. Which is annoying, but it's the way it goes. So I switched to multi-stage, and that made it a little bit easier. That actually simplified the code a bunch too. But build kit has different annotations for the layers. And so this actually broke pre-commit.ci. I didn't make it to prod, and I knew it was going to break. So, but I had to make some adjustments for that as well. It says, I've worked a few, but I think it would be interesting to attend them to meet people. I'm also much newer to my career. I was just curious which ones you found most useful. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know that I find them that useful anymore. But drugs. Another says, how many sprints did it take for pre-commit.ci light epic to be done? I think we did it in like 2 streams. If I remember correctly. Let's see. YouTube. It should be on the new channel, I think. Pre-commit.ci light. Oh boy. Yeah, you're an idiot. 1, 2, 3. 3 streams. Standard Robot, hello, how you doing? Anyway, so just the build for build kit. I used to have this like short circuit in the runner image, but it turns out that it's like slightly broken for build kit, so I just removed it. It didn't really save anything anyway. What can we write? Indeed. Oops, clicked the wrong button there. I had to fix, oh right, and remove all this code now. So I had to make sure that 13 effort points, yeah. Kevin, hello, says, out with the family having a barbecue, but just wanted to say hi, hello, and thank you for the resub at 37 months. How you doing, Kevin? At tier 3, of course. Barbecue, yeah. Food. Didn't take my meds. Like, why am I so hungry? I didn't take my meds today. Oh. What? I'm not that hungry. And I know I shouldn't eat. I'm hungry, but I know I'm wrong. I'm controlling my urges. Why are you giving me a weird face? Okay. Hooray. But I hope you have fun, Kevin. And thank you for stopping by. I'm doing good. Enjoyed the last good weekend for 6 months of bad weather. Too true. Yeah. But yeah, I had to change a few of the commands. So in classic Docker, env commands look like this. In BuildKit, they just look like this. And BuildKit adds this little comment on the end of every line for some fucking reason. Don't know why, but they do. I had to make a few changes there. But I can revert these now. Also, I checked in an example manifest of that and wrote a test. It's a very thorough test. AKA, I just generated the input and output. Called it good. And then finally, I updated to a build kit based image, which means I can go through and clean up the old stuff. Ugh, I'll be back in an hour or so if you're still around. Hopefully. Although I am sniffly sick and sad from being sniffly and sick, so hopefully the stream lasts that long. And stop jinxing the internet. No. No! Okay, so I should be able to delete manifest full.json, testing resources, responses, and config full.json. Test steps. I should be able to delete you. Then. Oh, and I want to show you my other project. I'll show you that in a sec. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Runner steps Docker image. M start build kit will no longer need to be a constant. I bet this fits on one line. Hey, look at that. Hooray. Oh, and I bet this does not need to be a constant either. Cool. Alexis Frank, hello, welcome back. Good to see you again. Armor F PyTest. Yeah, that's clearly what I wanted to do there. Nice. Cool. Only support build kit images. Good old 3-stage rollout. Introduce compatibility, roll forward, remove compatibility. It's a standard way to make a breaking change. Things are tightly coupled. Oh, right. Bloop. Hello? What is this? What happened here, GitHub? Oh, is GitHub having a day? Weird? Weird? What did it say? Linking? It said linting. my editor is a compiler now. It was running the linter. Yeah. I'm not super comfortable with your name. You should probably change that. Yeah, go get a different name. Yeah. Cool. Anyway, that's some of that stuff since last time. I wanted to show you my other project. Oh, did I not post this here? Where did I post it? My HelloFresh box. Yeah. My Discord. So, I've got my 3DS microcontroller project working. Yes, those are wires coming out the side of the threads. Wired into a Pro Micro here through a level shifter and yeah, some fancy wiring. And it fucking works. It is able to play Pokemon. This is real jank though. I wanted to make the camera like more consistent, and so I was gonna build a permanent box for this, but turns out this shitty HelloFresh cardboard box worked great. I just cut a hole in the top and stuck a camera up there. Ethan! Thank you for the resub at 46 months. It's good to see you again. Yeah, I wish I was feeling a little bit better, but we can't always get what we want. But thank you for your continued support. It's great to see you again. But yeah, basically this bad boy, this is going into my laptop, and I can send buttons. Missed this last week, but follow age? Oh, have you finally gotten to 5 years? Holy shit. Holy shit. Ethan's been following my channel for 5 years. Wait, does that mean my channel is 5 years old? I think that means that, yeah, because I'm pretty sure you follow like my first day. Yay, 5 years of streaming. Right? Right? Happy birthday to the channel, yeah. That's what Cube is also here. Hello, hello. But yeah, it works. I can I can show you some of the things that it's doing. Oh, the really cool part about it is I was able to completely reuse my Switch microcontroller code for writing scripts. So like for instance, this is my SOS based shiny hunter, and you'll notice that the state machine code looks basically the same, which is pretty cool. I have videos of it. Is this gonna work? It is going to work. Cool. SCP. Exit desktop slash this to here. Oh boy, why was that so slow? It's LAN. Shit, which one did I get? 830. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you 3 different videos of I need a target dot. I'm surprised there's enough light in the box. So the screen itself is very, very bright. So it's basically just picking up the backlight of the screen. And I can adjust like the shutter speed and whatever. I had the other thing I had to do is I had to like turn off all of the autofocus, auto brightness, all that garbage, because otherwise the thing just goes in and out from focus, which is not useful. Because it thinks that the camera thinks that like the game is actually a landscape, and so it tries to focus in and out of the landscape, which is interesting to say the least. I hope these videos actually worked, because I used a different recorder that I had not used before. Oh yeah, here we go. So, like this is the SOS one. And you can kind of see like the outline of the camera here a little bit. But it knows to just like defeat this Pokemon over and over, or wait for items or whatever it needs to do, and it goes pretty fast. So this was the SOS one for Sun and Moon. Yeah, like here it's using a Lepiberry because it knows that it's low on PP. But that's that one. This is the fishing one. So it tries to catch a fish here. It reacts to these little exclamation marks that appear above the head. Right here. Yep. And then reels in the fish. Checks if it's shiny based on how long this screen down here stays dark. You'll see here it'll be like delay like 11-ish seconds. Yeah. And so if it it didn't detect the Pokemon here because the OCR is pretty bad compared to on the screen. So it didn't know that this was Octillery. But yeah, like Corsala is definitely not the right spelling of Corsola, but yeah, pretty good to like detect the Pokemon I was trying to get and check that. And yes, this is in Spanish because I played X version in Spanish, so. But anyway, that's the fishing one. And then this is the one that just finished. It's pretty chaotic. It's just running back and forth in the grass here to try and find Pokemon. Also, for whatever reason, the OCR engine does not like to figure out what Klefki's name is, so it's pretty often Ket. There's a little special case in the code to check for Ket. But yeah, it slammed into these walls a bunch of times until it encounters Pokemon. But yeah, those are the 3 scripts that I've written so far. This is the one that I just got shiny, and that was the one I was trying to get shiny. So pretty neat. But I'm gonna be making a longer video about that at some point. Figured I'd give you a little update on the one that's there. Alexis Franco says, want to say thanks for all your work in open source and Python. Yeah, thanks. Hacktoberfest is coming. Oh no. Oh no. I used to look forward to Hacktoberfest, but now I just dread it. And I can trace almost all of it to this one Indian YouTuber in like this this guy, I want to say it was 2019. I want to say it was 2019. This Indian YouTuber made a YouTube video that was like, here's how to get a free they had t-shirts. Here's how to get a free t-shirt. And you showed people how to sign up for a GitHub account, navigate to a repo of a popular repo, click on the README, add my name is Anthony and I love this repo, click create pull request, and then do that 5 times. Then it gets you a t-shirt. That's how it used to work, yeah. And this YouTube video got like 2 million views. I think it is still live, yeah. But yeah, and then they changed how it worked so that if you did spam like that, but they still put it all on maintainers to do a bunch of work for that rather than really moderating properly. Well, I mean, I wouldn't expect GitHub to build something for some shitty third parties competition thing. No, it was, yeah. Who the fuck runs? It's DigitalOcean. DigitalOcean runs. Yeah. That's what like half of my exercise t-shirts are, the Hacktoberfest. I think this will be the first year I don't do it though. No, you usually wear the GitHub shirt. Strange Sorcerer, thank you for the resub at 16 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well, and welcome back. Appreciate your continued support. Smear says, can you rotate the screen? Yeah, I was going to do that, and then I was like, I'll just leave that. In before Nintendo adds anti-cheat to their games to stop Anthon from being too powerful. Well, that's the thing. I literally soldered wires to a board. I don't know how they would know. Oh yeah, 3DS updates too, yeah. Yeah, pretty much. Oh, I also missed Syntax Erroneous. Thank you for the follow. Grandpa's iPad. Thank you for the resub at 35 months. Good to see you again. Thank you for your continued support. You can solder without lead. All of my solders are lead though, because it's easier to work with. Which might not actually be true anymore, but it definitely was true when I first did soldering. I just noticed Hacktoberfest 2023 will give a unique digital reward to the participants. No more t-shirts. Oh, thank God.
NFTs?
I'd rather them give out NFTs than a fucking t-shirt. 10th anniversary. 10 years of shitty pull requests. Apparently right now it's pre-temper.
There's, you know, it's almost like it's September.
They've got the pre-cum for the Hacktoberfest. Where's the part where it says that they're not doing t-shirts? Which is fine. Under participation. Oh. Blah 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 blah. Have a tree planted. Oh yeah, they're not doing the t-shirts then. Yeah, because last year you could choose a tree or a t-shirt. Cool. I'm glad. End of an era. Preptember, yeah. Belwada, hello. Hope y'all had a nice week. I must flex straight. I don't know what that means. Last 3 weeks, I was rewriting a bioinformatics command line tool, which was written in R plus a massive bunch of C++. For the full data set, it took 14 minutes and 21 gigs of RAM. Holy shit. Your rewriting Go now takes 16 minutes, but only 6 gigs of RAM. Huh. Interesting. On the Discord, they say about the rules too. Makes sense. I'll miss the t-shirts, but it got too gimmicky. Yeah, 100%. But yeah, I'm pretty proud of this project. It's definitely it's definitely one of the hardest things I've done. I got really good at extremely precise soldering. I'm still garbage at putting ribbon cables back together though, but Tina's really good at that, so fortunately that's all good. Well, I do want to make sure, I just want to double check that the multiple language stuff still works. Instantly 2. I remembered to auth my password manager this time. Look at me, remembering things. Grandpa's iPad says, working on a React Native app, man, do I hate frontend and JavaScript. I feel like React Native was never a good idea. But somehow it persisted. Mr. Jake, hello. Good to see you again. Sarab's also here. Hello. I'm just gonna make sure this still works. I don't see why it wouldn't, but doing a little extra due diligence before I just slam this to prod. Hooray! Oh, those must have gotten recycled. Or the instance must have. Oh, yeah, the instance got recycled. Yeah, of course. Duh. Rich says Python said goodbye to Gil. You can check out my recent video about it and how it's going to be, or you can watch both of the videos. How it's going to be a massive slog, and I don't think it'll be successful, but I am pessimistic, so maybe don't trust me. Cool, but yeah, this looks good. Deploy. Run, please. All right, first line of order is to figure out what the fuck is broken with the nightly build of 3.13. This has been pinging my inbox for a week, and I just have not looked at it. Test / and module 2 not found. Supposed to be in libpython standard lib. Fun. Okay. Gonna take a while to clone. Yeah, I've been looking at the distribution of Pokemon that appear. I really should have written down the star count too, so I can get a better idea of how this works. Maybe I'll do that for the next one, but that's for the one that's down there. It's really slow to reset this. Ugh. Graham's iPad says, feel like I haven't been here in a while. How's pre-commit.ci going? Any more corporate signups? I want to say the last time I looked, there had been 2 unsignups. Yeah, it was at 50 when I checked a week ago. But 48 people is still pretty darn good. I've had a few. I'm gonna make this more expensive when they renew next year because it's a big fucking pain in my ass. GitHub has 3 different ways you can purchase plans. There's like enterprise, they're like team stuff, and then there's what's called a invoiced plan. And apparently invoiced plans do not support any paid GitHub Marketplace apps. And a bunch of people are like, well, I want invoiced for some such and such reason, but I still want to use pre-commit.ci. And I'm like, well, I guess you could pay me directly. And then I can manually override your account and like do a whole bunch of fucking work for it. But it turns out it's a real fucking pain in the ass to ask people for money. It sucks. It's not fun. I've had to spend many hours being like, no, this is the bank account, this is the address, here's the invoice. Fucking actually pay me on time. Your account's been enabled for 2 months. Just pay me already. What the fuck? Why haven't you paid me? And you just have to be such an asshole too. All of the current accounts that are manually paid have paid, but like, god damn, it's a pain in the ass. So next year they're getting a an invoiced fee because yeah, it's not fucking worth my time to do it as it is right now. Do you make tea for me?
Yeah.
Wow, thank you. In my favorite cup. My GitHub cup. See, it's GitHub. Really careful not to spill. But yeah, it's a big pain in the ass to do. Okay. 313 nightly. So there's this file and something. Oh right. So It lives in the root of libtest right now, but I want to say it moved. What is it called? An_module. And module. This and module isn't for test typing, it's for test module. Okay. It apparently lives in typing and data now. Yeah, okay. My username is my league name. Well, change it there too. But anyway, yeah, please change your name. It's 2023. We can be a little bit more accepting of other cultures. Okay, what is actually being done with these? Also, why? Why are these moved, but nothing else? I feel like these don't need to be there. I think the actual fix is to do this. Because this is just supposed to be the test framework stuff, whereas this is the actual tests. Wolfred, hello, how you doing? But I guess I can verify that. Yeah. It is not used by those. Yeah, so I think this is the right fix. Don't include an module in standard lib. All right. we don't need to run CPython's pre-commit hooks. All right, we're gonna do that for focal as well. Ormus, hello, how you doing? All right, we get to do a gamble. We haven't done this in a while. Will this fix the deadsnakes nightly builds? Oh, it's almost like the last one that we did was exactly the same gamble. All right, bet your channel points on whether this will fix things. I'm just gonna click rerun here. Oh, you can zoom in and out. Very useful. How do I click rerun? No, not that one. There's another rerun further up. And rerun all yobs. You can think about how to structure the data structures in a text editor. Well, maybe don't follow what I did, because I don't know if it was a good thing or not. It kind of works, but it's a little bit of a mess. Grandpa's iPad is a believer. How's the prediction going so far? Got 6 for yes, 3 for no. Who's our big no? Wolfred's got our big no. S1 Cube's got our giant yes. Shit. Well, we'll see how it pans out. Beldoff said no. Ormus says I literally just voted for the one with less. Yeah, the better bet. But that's gonna run for a bit, so we're just gonna let this go. This is deployed to prod. This. That's no. Videos about PyTorch on my channel. Well, don't advertise your shit on my channel. Delete. Okay, the next thing is I want to make a release of pre-commit because it's been a while. It's been months. But first I'm gonna look at whatever the fuck this to-do file says. I'll do that some other day. I have to spend at least some of the rest. I'm not invested in the build. Yeah, there we go. Okay, get log, one line. First parent, decorate. We're gonna run this first. Okay, workspace pre-commit. Change log, the only repo that I do this shit for. 09? Wake me up when September ends. Do 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 do. Okay. I want to say this doesn't actually do anything. Yep. I want to say this is a docs update. Yep. As is this. Yep. Haskell. Features and language. Haskell. 932 by this person. Green Day's pretty good. Yeah, it's true. What is this one? Oh, that's test change. Docs update. 2971. I'm pretty sure this has an issue, so let's deal with it. Probably also by Chris. Meat Sauce! Thank you for the resub at 7 months. Good to see you again. Appreciate your continued support. Welcome back. Thanks for hanging out. 2970. Fixes. Handle POSIX. Handle negative POSIX signal exit codes. Handle negative exit codes from hooks receiving POSIX signals. 2971. PR by Chris. My buddy Chris. And then the last one is 2979. 2979. Get more. Improve CPU count detection and run under C groups. 2979 PR by JDB8. Issue as well. Cool. It show name only. Cool. Get 4.0. Grab our good old PyPI token. And make that release after I zip app make the 40. There's a tiny bug in Podman here where, yeah, it sometimes leaks out. Oh, stretch my back weird there. Dying. Oh. I just pinched my back. It's fine. No, I'm good. MS iPad says, do you have any videos on your local configuration that auto sets up pre-commit in new repos? Do you mean like pre-commit install or the hooks? Because I just use CP to get the hooks. And I have a terrible little shell script that detects the file, similar to Activator. Here says, during a Franch stream, a question was asked about the current tech market. Do you think the layoffs will decrease? I don't know. I feel like tech market is always all over the place. Just hooks. Yeah, Franch. I doubt it. I feel like Korea is way too small streams. You think someone streams from it? Thought lead garbage? Maybe. Right? Maybe. Yeah. What does your pre-commit config look like for Roost? It's basically just Roost format. Abe Tastic says, what is pre-commit good for? Not a Python dev. Well, you don't have to be a Python dev. Because it is not. It is written in Python, but it is not specific to Python. But you can check out the websites. I linked them in chat. Spotted Dev, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. Change log. Oh, I gotta do some fucking docs work too. Damn. Annoying. There's so much fucking busy work for this. Releases. Oh, we have just passed release number 100. This is release 101. Commit 340. Blurp. And get the life files from here. 1 and 2. Cool. Now I gotta document this shit. And I gotta close some tabs. Alright, this is still chugging away. Bloop, 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 bloop. That has been deployed. That is notification. Cool. Highlight. Alright. Docs time. Sections. This one? Probably. GH. Haskell. Haskell. Look, repository must contain Go source code. What a fucking useless sentence. Yeah, what do these look like? Docs time? Oh, documentations? Yeah. Blah, 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 blah. New in 3.4.0. Book repository must have an callable call manifest. This package should provide an executable be used as the entry for this language supports additional dependencies. It can be used as a repo local. Look. Yeah. It says, I recently wrote my first multi-file, multi-subparser command line. Like every I learned from you, it's testable and type annotated and uses pre-commit. Oh, that's cool. Hope that goes well. These packages should provide executables. Executable in these packages. Let me. This makes it sound like it's automatic. Not. Once installed, the executables from these packages will use with entry. Support. No, this is also not exactly true due to this. Ormus says, I finally started playing Arceus this week. I'm really enjoying just running around, catching everything, and trying to complete the research task. Yeah, Arceus is a lot of fun. I hope they make another one. There's been like buzz online that they're gonna make a like Legends for 5th gen, which I think would be really cool. Yeah, I had a lot of fun with Legends Arceus. It has been tested on Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. Cool. It's been a breath of fresh air to the formula. I think the lore of Gen 3 and 5 make the most sense to adapt to it. Is there really much to do in Gen 3 though? What? No, I feel like Gen 3's been done to death. They already remade it. I think Gen 5 would probably make it. Gen 5 was fun. No, Gen 5 was black and white. X and Y was French, yeah. Although Frenchland has a bunch of like ancient lore stuff too. I'd love to see them go real dark and do a Pokemon game about the ancient war. Kind of. That's basically what X and Y was. Well, even Kanto was supposedly like just after a war, because Lieutenant Surge is like a war lieutenant, a war man. Yeah. War man, the man of war. Jaholo, hello. Good to see you again. Can I have the game named after the original Pokemon that became Zekrom, Reshiram, and Kyurem? Oh. And do like a new for me thing. I hear Fronchland? Yeah, Kalos, Fronchland. Aaron is now live. Says, what do the setting buttons in the middle of your main keyboard do? They let me switch scenes. This one will go to the be right back screen. But yeah, I use them to bounce around for recording and stuff. But yeah. Useless Pony, hello. How you doing? Document pre-commit 340. I'm doing well despite being a little bit sick. I mean, I'm doing well except for that. I guess we'll put it that way. In this case, Kalos is the bestest Pokemon region ever. Yeah, because it's Frenchland. Funny thing about X and Y, when they first came out, there was a bug in the Paris equivalent where if you saved in Paris, your game would just soft lock. It would never boot again. You could get around it though, because there's like a weird like multi-process threading issue. Even though I don't think the 3DS is threaded, so I don't quite exactly understand how it worked. It was just like a timing issue. You could get around it while booting the game while mashing the home button. And so the game would go in and out of context and like slowly load the start of the game. And that would be enough to get their save started. And then you could save outside of Paris. But yeah, very, very weird times. Lots of people lost their saves. Because they didn't know about how to fix it and didn't wait for the update. Meanwhile, Galar sucks. I feel like it was a little weird. I feel like Galar being like, yeah, everything is curry was like a real strange choice. Well, it's weird that it's curry because like, okay, I've never been in the UK. This is what I've been told. I feel like it's weird because most food in the UK is tasteless as hell. Is it?
It's
Their national jizz?
no. Their your dish.
Is
Oh,
it?
and don't forget they colonized India.
I mean, yeah, they did colonize India, yeah. But they also they're allergic to salt. Okay. I don't know, it felt weird to me. Yeah, I deserve that bonk. Okay. I don't think I'm going to try and add Haskell support to pre-commit.ci today, because that sounds like a big pain in the ass. Ormus says 90% of our takeaway here are either Indian or Chinese. I don't know if that's what they were going on about. There's a crap ton of Indian restaurants. Interesting. Well, I don't know. I don't fucking know. What am I, just some stupid American? Yeah. It's true. Yeah. It's me. The dumb American. Okay, this seems like the dead stakes bill has gotten past the part where it usually fails. So it's looking like believers are gonna win. But we need to update the version of pre-commit in the runner image. Pre-commit CI runner image. Ah, pineapple pizza. Oh, it already exists. Let's reclone it because look at that green build. Believers win. Do.com, yes. Hooray! Hooray! 122,000 points. Go to S1 Cube and 7 others. They probably didn't win that much though. Six Jake says, my new kitten is being super cute on my lap. Ooh. I need to get up and do stuff, but I'm stuck. Yep, you live there now. You have no choice anymore. Where's the part where the actual virtual gets made? Oh, right there, 3.11. Upgrade our dependencies. It's only been a week and my old cat is mostly indifferent now. Was a bit worried. At first he wasn't thrilled. Yeah, I've heard sometimes cats can be real territorial and not approve of new oh my god, everything is updating. Platform doors changed a fuck ton. Well, apparently I never released pre-commit 3.3. Interesting. I guess it has been 6 months, so it helps that he's 15 pounds and she's like 6. Yeah. But they'll grow up fast. They'll grow up fast. I wonder what changed in Noda. Oh, back in May. Oh, retries for downloads. Neat. Worked for Risk 5. Wild. Okay, anyway. Pre-commit 3.4. Upgrade pre-commit to 3.4.0. Hmm. Damn. I've pretty much gotten everything that I wanted to get done on stream today, and it's only been an hour. What? I thought it was gonna take like 4 hours to do some of this stuff, but it was like a one-line patch. Jerk off now. Get banned. What? What? Yeah. Right. Um. I don't really know that I want to do any of these. Oh, also, it turns out I don't need to do this anymore because BuildKit does it for me. Still recovering from an outage on Thursday. It was up till 4 a.m. rebuilding Kubernetes clusters after the data center got struck by lightning. What the fuck? Grandma's iPad says still waiting on F's in the chat for build fails. No, the build passed. Wait, fuck. This build did not pass. Oh. Oh. Spicy. Oh, the bot should automatically post us. Oh, yeah, on the to-do. Refund? No, this isn't deadsnakes. This is a virtual and drop support for Python 2. So we will also Mine Rob, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Surely nothing will go wrong there. Remove Python 2 since virtual drop support. Oh, there's an old to do, yeah. It still would be pretty cool. Was it in here somewhere? I think I wanted a PyTest plugin where, like, if a test failed, it would post Fs. Why did I get notified of this comment from 2021? Get up drunk? Oh, looks like Victor accidentally a word here. Alright, this should be building away now. It looks like it is. This is enough that I will make a changelog about it. I should upgrade all the other versions too. Maybe we'll do that while we're here. Alright, who is the first to get upgraded? Go. Yeah, that's pretty out of date. Oh, it's not that far out of date. Where's the fucking... This is what I want. 1.21. Oh, they finally fixed their shit. They used to not put the .0 on the end here, which was really annoying. Grab our checksum. Upgrade, go. Bridge this one too. Gonna read a lot of CI time. Node. That seems really old. If I remember correctly, it's /dist. 18 is the latest LTS. Node LTS. 18, yeah. Latest 18. Why does that not feel... Oh, yeah, it is 18.17.1. Sarcastic Dante! Thank you for the resub at 51 months. Holy shit. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Yeah, a bit what face there, indeed. Where the fuck is the thing? This one. Linux x64. Oh, do I get the GZ or do I get the XZ? I get the GZ. I feel like that's a symlink. Yeah, that looks good. Nikita says gonna go grab dinner. Have fun, y'all. Thank you for the stream. Get well soon, Anthon. Well, thank you for stopping by. Always good to see you. And I will see you around in the future. Upgrade node to 18.17.1. Oh boy, that is red. Oh, probably because there's a test that checks Python 2 support. That would make sense. Gonna find 2.7. Yes. Can run Python tools. Why did I add that? Do that instead. Briox, hello, hello. How you doing? Good to see you again. All right. Who's the next one? Roost? Probably? Yeah, I believe Roost is next. And that's 72. Rest up, latest version. But I don't know where this comes from. This URL. 1.26.0, and the arch of that is this boy over here. Been good learning some GraphQL. Ooh. GitHub's inconsistent use of time zones is maddening. Yeah, GitHub's pretty bad about that. Loafkey, thank you for the resub at 7 months. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Upgrade Roost. Upgrade Rust to 1.72.0. Is it still failing? No. It's confused. Who's next? Swift, I think. Like .NET is always a spooky one, as is Conda. I might just leave those for now. Dart is not a spooky one. Yeah, I'm gonna leave those for now. I'm gonna do R though. This one, I have an email to fix it. We'll just upgrade Rust, Go, and Node at the moment. Not at work. Okay, I need to get the latest R version. Four, 3, 1. And I need to download the source list. Which base. this bad boy. Hey, what's up, Shaz? I am not all better. Pandox is also here. Hello, hello. Have you looked into Nyx and what are your thoughts on it? I fucking hate Nyx and I wish it didn't exist because it wastes me so much fucking time. Those are my thoughts. I'm probably not going to elaborate because I'm not. That's why. Should build our over 6,000. Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. I got my ADS bill for this month. It's not great because of the Discord bot. I should really finish the /command stuff. It sounds like it's the new Let's Rewrite This In project. Came out 3 times at work last week alone. Yeah. I mean, don't get me wrong, some of the principles it has are great. The implementation does not really fit with most people's use of Linux. And so it ends up being a little hellscape as the two tools fight each other. Nyx is slightly too idealized to be functional as a developer environment in my experience. But oh boy, people really love to shove it down your throat. I think I certainly would be less pessimistic about it if people weren't so fucking adamant about using it. Or mad that you won't support their fucked up use cases. But what are you gonna do? My tea is cold now because I forgot about it. I forgot. I forgot and I have the regrets. Did I just see setting paper size? Am I installing printer drivers? What the fuck is going on? Let this go in the background. This may take some time. Yeah, indeed. So we wait while this builds. Building spooler, yeah. It hasn't even gotten to the build part yet, it's just installing packages. Never used it, looks interesting. The presentation I watched though, not as ergonomic as I had expected. Yeah. I don't know. And to me it has the same problems like Content Homebrew, which is that they don't exactly play nicely with everything else. You basically have to be all or nothing, and then people expect you to change your shit to work for their fucked up view of the world. And no, thank you. Mango Salsa, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. DK90 says, has anyone ever told you that you kind of look like George from season 1 of Grey's Anatomy?
Oh, that's a good.
No. What? What?
No,
You agree with this one now?
I-
Oh, fucking egg.
like
I gotta actually look it up now.
very different face shape, like a similar.
This guy's got like 60 foreheads.
That,
This person's head is way too tall.
but like your hair is growing out.
Is this just all white people look the same?
Yeah.
I don't look anything like this person. I don't look anything like this person. Beyond, I am.
Sure you're looking at season 1 photos?
Do I specifically need to say season 1? Did it change?
That was when
Well, I think I look like this guy either. Yeah. Just this man just has scruffy hair and a forehead for days. DK90, thank you for the sub to D-Lams. Welcome to Subdom D-Lams. Here's your button, DK90. Wait, you're not even subbed. You're throwing out subs without this button not cooperating. There you go. Oh, it's finally building. Took it a while. Yeah, I'm just kind of sitting here and waiting at the moment. Wait, was this not auto-merged? Excuse me? Oh. Wait. Hello? I just had to look at it funny. Alright, get getting your shit together. It didn't feel like it, yeah, pretty much, right? Pretty much. So the worst part about my 3DS project is I kind of want to crack it open and add 4 more wires. Because I don't know if it's worth it. But I don't have wires to LR start and select. Which really actually I only care about LR and start, maybe home. It does. Actually, I don't really care about home. I just care about LR and start. Because that's what I need to software set. At least I think so. Was the DS software set? Was that also? On Nintendo DS Pokemon games, LR start select is software set. Oh, you need start and select? Okay, yeah, then I guess I would need all 4 buttons. Yeah. I kinda want to crack it open and add those 4. The problem is, I don't have another level shifter. Oh wait, yeah, I do. Big Sass, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Do I have enough pins on this board though? I need 10. Yeah, I have just enough. I can do 20 to 30. Oh, I could do 21 to 30, in fact. Yeah. And then I would wire up. Oh, wait, no, I don't have enough pins. I wonder if I can change analog 0 to a digital out pin. Why is it 15, 14, 16? Where the fuck did 11 and 12 go? What? Where are 11 and 12? And 13? It looks like I can use these as digital output pins. Heck, 11 and 12, we don't need them. They were weak. The weak fall. Yeah, what the fuck? What is what are 11 and 12? Weird. Success says there are none. Unless it's these ones. Well, 13's missing also. 11, 12, 13 voltage. Yeah, that doesn't really make sense. Oh, you know what it probably is? It's probably these LEDs. Would account for at least 2 of them. This doesn't give me... We have 3 missing though. TX LED pin. 17. I guess 17 is also missing. The TX LED was not so lucky. We need macros for that? Hmm. Let's see. 10, 11. It's missing pins 11, 12, and 13. uh... Yeah, no one's actually answering the question. They're all just mad and angry. Christ. I'm guessing they just don't exist. You're not gonna number all of them. Why not give them names instead, right? Alright, we have output. Alright, how did I do this last time? I want to say that I made a release where I tagged this? Wow, I've been really, really inconsistent with this. But we have our asset at least. What's this? Short Billy and Johnny. Yeah. You don't need reset pins. We've got the Johnny pin. Now we just wait again. It's very weird. $18 IO pins, and they go up to 21, so I think that just means that 3 don't exist. But yeah, it looks like I could use 16, 14, 15, and 18 as more digital IO. Despite 18 being marked as A0 as an analog pin. But that would allow me to get 4 more buttons. If I took it apart again, would you help me put it back together? Okay. I'm probably gonna do it. Because if I break it now, it's fine. Kinda. Yeah. Because I've done most of the ones. Yeah, you're not in the middle of it. No. No, I gotta do all my chores in Wait 2 version. Success says, what are you making? Right now I am building a programming language called R to upgrade it. But this build takes a while. Why does this build take a while? Oh, it's because these are running... Oh. I'm gonna cancel all the ones except for this one. Because we only care about the latest image anyway. Yeah, this should do its thing. And this one will get... Oh. Those drones might have been in the middle of pushing. Fuck me. Well, I'm gonna screw this up. It's fine. Doesn't super matter. I guess I could see based on the other branch. Oh yeah, 2 days ago. That didn't actually get through to the push part. What this is doing right now. With Arduino, oh, I'm doing like 3 things at once. The project that I'm chit-chatting about is I am controlling a 3DS using a microcontroller to press buttons. So that it can play Pokemon games. Well, I'm specifically doing it with Pokemon games. For instance, here it is, encountering wild Pokemon on 3DS, detecting what they are and detecting if they're shiny. Yeah, so this is serial controlling the microcontroller. I did a few others as well. Like this one is fish chaining, where it reacts to the little exclamation marks that appear there. It is very good at doing this. Funny thing, I had to flash an entire computer to get this one working because it turns out my camera will only do 10 FPS when it is plugged in over USB 2. And I only have one portable computer besides my work laptop that has USB 3, but that has Windows installed, and I couldn't pass through the camera properly to my VM. Anyway, long story short, I flashed a laptop because I couldn't remember the root password or the encryption password, so that I could run this. Anyway, okay, so that did its thing, which is good. Did it push to this branch? Long short, we need a VFIO on consumer products. What does that mean? I don't know what that means. Goodbye, Python 2. Go got upgraded, Node got upgraded, NPM got upgraded, Article got upgraded, and Roost got upgraded. And we're in the process of upgrading R. Should get through these tests pretty quickly. The tests are kind of slow in this repo, and I've been meaning to speed them up. But I don't know if I'll do this. Oh, allows proper pass-through of PCIe devices to virtual machines? Yeah. They mean D's? Yeah. Yeah, right. I also have to get this, I also have to get the video bot updated at some point. Which is a bunch of work. I gotta bug Shaz about it. Maybe after stream today we can do this, if you're around. Because I don't really like spending $100 a month to run the old version of the bot. It wasn't supposed to be $100, so I did the math somewhere incorrectly, or maybe the VPC cost money or something. I don't know. But I got a fat AWS bill. Well, not really. It's not that much money, but it's more money than I want to spend on a Discord bot. That's for damn sure. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get unique wire colors though. For my little jumpers. I have to get new wires. Just mark them in some way. Yeah. What language is R? I think R is mostly written in C, but I also don't know. MDS Ubuntu, hello. How you doing? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, because I'm currently building it from source. So that pre-commit.ci can have the latest version of it. And it is taking a while. But yeah, we'll make a new tag 22.4R431. And then I will be able to resolve this issue. MDC Ubuntu says, what are you building right now? I am waiting. I'm waiting for R to build, and then... Yeah, the today is not correct anymore. I'm waiting for R to build so that I can upgrade in pre-commit.ci, so that I can upgrade everything in pre-commit.ci. And then I'm going to send a little announcement email that pre-commit.ci Lite is live, and... or the pro version is live. And that all these versions have been updated. But oh, hey, there we go. Okay, so We can make a new tag. Ubuntu 22.04r 4.3.1. And then these get marked as latest, they do, but it's sort of nonsense. Gonna make the title of it looks less stupid. Okay, so now wait, assets 3. Oh, assets 3 here. Okay, so now be able to upgrade it. Success says, what is your favorite language currently? They all kind of suck. I think Python is probably the one I write the most of. That doesn't mean that it's my favorite though. Just happens to be what I'm stuck writing. I don't remember how to do the little word regex thing to make it show that only the 3 changed to a 2. BFG Rock says, I heard someone giggle behind the camera. Yeah, that's Tina. Tina is my real life laugh track. That's all. That's the only thing you do. Nothing else. You're also my real life cough track. Oh, okay. Yuhigawa, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Upgrade R to 4.3.1. Resolves 25. Rude. Yeah, okay. This is what I wanted to see, but I couldn't remember the command for it. There's some like word diff regex something or another. I'm sure if I did this it would tell me, yeah, word diff regex. Yeah, I think this is what I actually wanted. Git show word diff regex equals dot word diff. Slightly better. Ugh. Have I done a video on word diff? Probably not. Let's see. Oh. It's in episode 4. What the fuck was episode 4? How to make a simple GitHub PR. It can have its own video. No. I just have a video about how to make a simple GitHub PR. Not for t-shirts, no. There's no t-shirts anymore. If you're early on, they plant a tree for you, though. Yeah, tough times in this economy. We can't get t-shirts anymore. Yeah. 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 I remember back in my day when they gave out t-shirts. You would specifically find people that. Yeah. The knitted ones? Oh, I just remember they're like snapback ones, which looked real tacky. Hold, please. They gave those out?
Yeah.
The fuck? Those different times.
They didn't have t-shirts though.
No t-shirts? Yeah. Alright, so I know it's kind of a short stream today, but I'm running out of voice and I got all the things done that I want to get done, so I'm gonna stop here for now. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content. Oh wait! Chad says, okay, my first time living alone, come the 6th. What am I going to forget to buy? Oh my god, you're gonna forget everything. And it's gonna be okay. Shower curtain, that's the big one. Shower curtain. Matt to step on the floor outside of a shower. Those are the two things I forgot. And my first shower was miserable. Not only did I spill water everywhere, I slipped on the floor getting out of the shower. I almost died, yeah. Oh, you have a door? Damn. That dollar bills, y'all.
Yeah.
Like this fancy man with a shower door. Okay, anyway, I have a shower door too, so what am I saying? It's functional, barely. Anyway, my name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. So go subscribe there, check that out, etc. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. I announce my streams on the Discord, which you are free to join. There's a fun little community. There's a beginners channel if you want to ask programming questions, and then there's a bunch of other fun social channels as well. But yeah, thank you all for stopping by. Let's go find someone to raid.